I wanted to take the culinary program at CTE because I really had a passion about baking.
When he first started the program, he kept to himself, he was shy, he was afraid of making mistakes, and he's come a long way.
My dream is doing a bakery for the whole community so they can enjoy my baked goods. So I cook for them and bring them lots of joy when they try my food. It feels really good because I know that I'm learning what I really need to be successful with my business.
We're all different types of learners. Some kids are better at bookwork and like to be seated. A lot of the students that we get in CTE like to learn a different way. We put a tool in their hand, they soar. Anthony, he's a prime example of that.
When I first started at CTE, I wasn't sure if I could become a baker, but now I know that I can.